A man came to the door and was looking for donations for a community pool, so I gave him a bottle of water. Anyway, here we are back again with the Kenmore 80 series, and now we are going to clean the disgustingness out of here. This is not going to be a complete how-to on how to take this apart or do any of that. There's plenty of videos. Basically, it's going to be myself and XJoe81X. Brace yourselves, people. Fucking around. So there's going to be cursing. There's going to be things that are going to be said. Some may be funny. Some may be stupid. Who knows? But we're going to get this thing opened up and attempt to remove the basket. We'll replace the agitator dogs and do all that kind of great stuff. I don't know how many parts this is going to span. We're getting some tools now, and we'll get started right away.
Well, of course, you know.
The other one's on the table. Alright, first step is remove the agitator. So if you have a fabric softener dispenser, you just pull it out. If you have a cover like that, nice, you just do that.
Look in there, huh?
And yeah, those are pretty broken. So put the wrench on, hold the bottom of the agitator, and loosen the bolt. Might be tight. There he goes. It's coming out. It may stay in there, it's fine.
If I'm lucky enough to remember, we got to get in there like swimwear.
Right.
Is this rolling?
Yes, it's rolling.
Oh shit.
Go underneath, pull it straight up until it smacks you in the face. There you go. It's out.
Right, I do this for a living.
Oh, that looks like it's in very good shape.
Right, sitting pretty. New York City.
Good. Not too dirty and filthy in there. So we're going to strip everything out because it's easier for you. Take the screws out on each side and remove these plastic things.
I want to see if the plastic takes removed.
It's going to all come off anyways. So we're going to just monkey around with this until we get them off and keep going. So we're just pulling screws and doing things and taking wrong screws out. These two screws at the bottom have to come out. We're going to put that one back there because it's
long
hinged.
Screw goes here just in case you got to reverse yourself and watch it and say, which screw is that?
Well, grind it till you find it. Sort of wiggle it, monkey it, play with it. We got one side loose already here. So it should just slide up over there, really.
There is another screw back here for the ground. But that shouldn't hinder.
No, I don't think that would hinder it from coming off. It's probably just been olded on for so many years. That would slide up and come out.
Just want to make sure maybe something. Don't want to break it because it's so nice. Okay.
There we go.
A little bit. Okay, let's get this. You got that? It goes down. So you want to bring it
kind of come forward and up.
And lift.
And now the whole panel, right, should flip back. Oh yeah.
And this is
that's why you want to open that crap.
And this is where you kind of let it sit. You don't want to.
Right, it'll kind of do its thing.
We almost will clean this last when we put it back together.
Yes, we got to take off the connector there. So there's a little thing on there you press or pry out with a flat blade.
Oh yeah, I gotta do my finger here.
There we are. And big flat blade will go in here.
Oh.
So just stick it down and wrench it.
Like
it has to go in the in there.
And then pull to me.
No, yeah, go like that. There you go. Same on this side.
Second verse, same as the first.
And that's loose, and now this can, let's see if we could just take these out so that that's it. Put those aside, and the case should rock forward now.
The case.
Yeah, just grab it and pull. And now you might have to sort of shimmy it off.
I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Right, there you go. Open that and just walk it off. There you go. There's your lesson on how to take the case off of a direct drive.
Actually, I could clean it here.
Yes,
Just
that's
be careful
perfect like
with
that. So there you go. There's nothing to it really. Of course, being out in the open, you know, makes it a lot easier. But now the fun part.
There we go. Kind of
Where we go.
work your way. Wow. This could all be hosed off. This is perfect. Doing this downstairs many moons ago.
Yeah, we did this years ago. When I show the underside of the machine, I'll see if I could find some old video of that.
I think it would be on the me.
Yeah, it might be, but I'll find it either way. So we take all these clips out. There's a hose that has to be disconnected here, which just slips off like that.
Okay, we got that. Perfect. That's for the
Bleach dispenser. And once we get these clips off, then the white top will come off, and then that's an easy clean outside. Scrub brush, some cleaning stuff, and you know, go from there. Oh, we got sun over here now. That's not great. Should be probably from the inside, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Pull right off. Take it away.
Put it on the cleaning pile.
Yep. There you go. And now the tub nut. So we'll do that. This is the special tool that you will need. This is a spanner nut remover. Comes in 2 pieces, some of them, and some are a 1 piece, but this will work for multiple ones if you have a hexagonal nut. This one does not, so we don't need this piece. So we'll set that aside. And you see the 4 ears, and this will fit on like that. And then you get a hammer and you start banging, and it should loosen.
Let's give it all regular college try.
These are not easy, so
Flashback 5 years ago.
yeah. This is what we came up with. This is like an oil filter or vice grip type thing from Harbor Fox. It's gripped on there, but we'll put a hammer on it and watch the tool break and the nut stay there exactly where it is. Nope! Thank you!
Does a tub spin?
It
yeah.
will, yeah. The tool's slipping off.
Yeah.
But at least we have the right tool now. It's moving. Probably not yet. Oh, you got it. Good. Ah, boy, that was, you remember how long we played with that?
Yes, I do.
Jeez, that was awful. Ah, what a, this is the best $20 you could spend. The best $20 you could spend. That's got to come all the way off. And then we'll go from there. So now we're going to remove this clip here. Should theoretically pry off or slide up or something.
Oh, slide up.
There we go. And it looks like that plastic thing can come out. Yep. And the tub nut.
Well, okay, so now it's free, but
Theoretically, it should be free now. It may be stiff on there, so we may have to pull it, but you wanted to move this out of the way, you said, right?
I would have liked to.
Well, it looks like you would bend that in, and that would give you the angle and it would pop out.
Sure.
So we'll try that.
Let's see, because I broke this somewhere once.
See See how it goes through.
There we go. Here we go. It goes down. You have the back? Okay.
Yeah, I got it. We'll just push it forward like that. And it looks like it should kind of cantilever in to the inside of the machine.
Give me some slack, Jack.
There he is. I'll work that out now. Now you sort of, I believe it sort of just comes off now, and it's not easy.
Let's see if I bang it around tight.
Loosen up that rust.
Oh, there's some things in here, that's why. How the hell did I get it out the last time?
I don't remember how we did. I think we actually dropped the transmission, but you don't need to.
Wasn't there like cake? Is it like caked in here?
Probably. So we're going to monkey around with this. Good luck with yours. Just nobody really has these anymore, but if you got rid of yours, you're a fool. So we'll play with this and eventually get somewhere. So you see that we got the tub out. We'll come back to that in a minute. How do you get the tub out? Because it's stuck on there. If you see the rust and all the crap there. So the way you do it is, because of that stuff there, you have to rock the inner tub. And the way you do that is this is what we did. We used a towel, put it there, bunch it up like that, and just bang it real good all around. And that will jostle the center and break the rust free, and then you just go in here and it just pulls right out, and that's exactly what we did. There's the dry block nut, or no, that's the dry block itself, and that you just sort of hammer that down. We actually just use the handle of the hammer to just sort of punch it, and that's it. And really the rest here, you get a scrub brush, you get some bleach, you get some other cleaning spray, whatever you have, and just go to town. Really, that's it.
Now, you really don't want to, do you really not want to disconnect these?
You can if you want. It's open, it's on the ground outside.
And then I could, now is this a seal?
Yes, that is sealed, and that has to stay. This plastic and everything that we see here stays.
What about this? This is...
I don't know about the crap you just took off.
Why? Well, it was really nothing.
What is that? Was that a seal at one point?
So. There's a seal on it now.
Oh yeah, that's just slime and crap. See that?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, it's just goo and stuff.
Shit.
Wonderful.